university administration officials, and then last yung ating
talino, samahang pinatatag ng panahon.
Tuloy sa paglakbay sa malawak na bukas, harapin at mag-iwan ng wakas.
Pangarap ay di na imahinasyon, tumingala, oras natin ngayon.
Abot ng tanglaw ay palawakin, sigaw natin. Apat na haligi nagsilbing pundasyon, handa ng tahakin ang susunod na hamon.
Di man yung magsisilbi sa bayan, husay at pangarap ang punan.
Scholar ng bayan, saan may aahon, pupuno ng inspirasyon.
Pangarap ay di na imahinasyon, tumingala, oras natin ngayon. Abot ng tanglaw ay palawakin, ani ng tagumpay, sigaw natin. Apat na haligi nagsilbing pundasyon, handa ng tahakin ang susunod na hamon. Noon ang aral
In any part of the parade, pwede kayo mag-join. Okay?
kahit saan sila mag-social. Okay.
If you would like to meet also some of our faculty sa ibang colleges, you're free to do that during the parade. We will talk with them, chat with them, kumustahan, gano'n.
Oo. Shout out kay Ate France.
talino, samahang pinatatag ng panahon.
Tuloy sa paglakbay sa malawak na bukas, harapin at mag-iwan ng wakas.
Pangarap ay di na imahinasyon, tumingala, oras natin ngayon.
Abot ng tanglaw ay palawakin, akin ang susunod.
The part, get ready kasi nagsa-start na po yung ating parade.
Alright, so we will see you all later after the parade. Okay, mga 10 ikot daw.
Yes, 10.
Dito sa grounds. So good luck and enjoy.
Tapos ano yung sir, whole day. Sa may Astro.
Hasa ang tibay at talino, samahang pinatatag ng panahon.
Tuloy sa paglakbay sa malawak na bukas, harapin at mag-iwan ng wakas.
Pangarap ay di na imahinasyon. Tumingala, oras natin ngayon.
Abot ng tanglaw ay palawakin. Anin ng tagumpay, sigaw natin.
our Bicol University ROTC is now approaching the Founders Park together with Bicol University Marching Band.
And of course, that is followed.
I can see walking our Vice President for Research Development and Extension, Dr. Lani Maceda, together with the Vice President for Administration and Finance, Sir Cyrus Barameda. Kasama ang ating mga deans and directors from the different colleges.
Nakaapo lang sa playing si Attorney Alex, Dean, tapos Bugay President, representing the President, and of course, yung dalawang baby na nandito. Sila yung katawagin sa
The spaces po dito sa loob. Marami pa pong spaces. Pasok po tayo. Tuloy lang po. From the College of Dental Medicine. Hello. Our friends from BU Ginobatan. Hello sa inyong lahat dyan. Of course, the College of Education. Sige, tuloy po tayo. Diretso lang po.
Ayan, may pa-banner sila.
Oo.
Alright, good morning everybody. Alright, tuloy lang po tayo. Sa mga nasa malapit sa gate, we still have spaces dito sa Founders Park. So kindly occupy the space. Alright. Okay, from the office of the OVP RDE, good morning. Ayun, grabe energy. Good morning, good morning.
May we invite all the deans and directors. We have prepared seats for you in front and other officials of the university. May mga upuan po tayo sa harap.
Ayan, please. Alright.
Our friends from OVPRD.
RDE.
Siyempre.
Hindi sila ready. Look at their
Good morning
banner.
po sa inyong lahat. Sino naman? Ito na. Ayan. Medyo madami naman kanilang delegation.
Good morning. Okay, from Bicol University, Open University, good morning. Ayan, special shout out daw. Ayan, tuloy lang
Of
po
course,
tayong
our
lahat.
friends from CBEM, magandang umaga.
There you go. Good morning.
Good morning to our friends from the College of Medicine.
College of Medicine, good
Magandang
morning.
umaga po.
Fundraising. Wala na. Tapos yung tawagin mo sa si Professor J. Technical staff.
Alright, good morning po. Please tuloy lang po tayo sa ating founders. So after sir, ng ano natin, intro, may lupang hirang, tapos may colors entrance of
Of course! Special shout out to the College of Science. Hi!
Good
Upo tayo
morning.
dito sa harapan, please. Ayaw nila umupo eh, so kayo na lang uupo. Sige. I'll take the advantage of holding the microphone. Upo tayo dito sa gitna. Sige. Hello sa mga friends ko. Friends. Tuloy po tayo. Sige po. Magsa-start na yung ating program.
Good morning po. Tuloy po tayo dito. May mga vacant seats pa po tayo. Hi, good morning.
Hello sa ating friends from the College of Nursing.
College. Actually, I was trying to read it, but medyo nearsighted, farsighted ako. Okay, I think may mga sumunod pa ba?
I think, sir, we are already...
I'm waiting for my college, so they are not here yet. Naputol sila.
At this point, we will now be having the ceremonial wreath laying sa ating Founders Park. And to do this, may I request, of course, the deans and directors of Bicol University, together with the vice presidents, Sir Cyrus Barameda and Dr. Lani Maceda, together with the Bugaay President, Attorney Alex Nepomuceno. Ma'am, sir. May I request the deans and directors to assist us. Sige po, lahat ng mga present na ating mga deans and directors, please join us.
Of course, this wreath laying is actually one of our ways to honor the founders of Bicol University. So as we can see, we have Honorable Dominador R.I. Tuno, founder, Itona rather, founder, Senator of the Philippines. Then Honorable Jose M. Alberto, founder, Catanduanes Love District Representative. And
Honorable Carlos R. Imperial, founder, Albay 2nd District Representative.
all right. All right, thank you very much po.
A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for our ceremonial wreath laying. As we look back on the past, we see not just the milestones, but the people, the passion, and the purpose that brought Bicol University to where it is today.
We see a legacy carefully built over 56 years by visionary leaders, dedicated educators, resilient students, and a community that never wavered its commitment to excellence.
Our hopes would never have been achieved without our commitment to serve, guided with united aspirations for our dear university.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, Bicol University. Good morning and welcome to the 56th Charter Day celebration of our dear university.
With the theme, BU at 56, one vision, one mission, one BU, one legacy, embracing the future.
At this moment, may we request now the ROTC for the entrance of colors, and that will be followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem. Everybody please rise.
very much. You may now take your seats. Ay. At this moment, we would like first to acknowledge the presence of the people who have been working relentlessly in pursuing excellence as one Bicol University. I would like to acknowledge, of course, the presence of our Vice President for Administration and Finance, Sir Cyrus A. Barameda. Hi, sir.
And of course, we would also like to acknowledge the presence of our Vice President for Research, Development and Extension, Dr. Lani L. Maceda. Good morning, ma'am.
I would like also to acknowledge the presence of our Bugay President, Attorney Alex Nepomuceno.
And of course, we'd also like to acknowledge, hello. And of course, we'd also like to acknowledge the different deans and then program chairs and directors of the different programs and colleges. Good morning po sa inyong lahat.
And of course, our teaching and non-teaching personnel from the different colleges and campuses. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. At syempre, ating mga students, magandang umaga din po sa inyong lahat.
All right. At this juncture, we will listen to a visionary leader. Or actually, this is supposedly be given a message, but kanina na play na po yung message ni President. All right. At this juncture, let's listen to one of the dependable leaders of the university. A round of applause to the Sir Cyrus A. Barameda, our Vice President for Administration and Finance.
To our alumni regent, Attorney Alex Nepomuceno, who is representing our university president, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Dinibres III. To my fellow vice presidents, although wala siya ngayon, Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta Borres. To our Vice President for Research, Development, Extension, Dr. Lani Maceda. To our Vice President for Planning and Development, Professor Sani Ramos, who is represented by our Ma'am Joy Lawengo. Okay. To the deans and directors, the BUAN's officers headed by Ma'am Jane Bicunya, the BUFI Association headed by Dr. Indira Tabo, faculty, faculty and non-teaching personnel, students, other guests, good morning. Today, we gathered to celebrate 56 years of excellence, service, and commitment to our university and to the community. We are all happy for Bicol University because 56 years is no ordinary journey. It speaks of perseverance, shared vision, and the collective effort of individuals to the university's growth. In our minds, we know that we have been a part of what the university has achieved. Each of us, whether as administrator, staff, faculty, students, alumni, or partner, has contributed in meaningful ways, both big and small, to what Bicol University stands for today. We have contributed our own time, our energy, our strength, and our abilities more purposefully to meet the highest level of clientele satisfaction and to attain the university's vision. Indeed, we have shaped a culture that works for excellence and prioritizes the needs of our stakeholders and this truly helped propel BU to greater heights. So today, let us take a moment to acknowledge one another. Batiin po natin ang mga katabi. Sabihin natin na congratulations for being part of Bicol University. Pwede mo natin gawin yon? Okay. Congratulations to all of us. Thank you and cheers to 56 years.
Thank you very much, Sir Cyrus Barameda, for the message. Now, to lift our spirits up as one Bicol University, please welcome the dynamic and vibrant Bicol University Marching Band trained by Professor Alex Navales under the supervision of the University Coordinator of Bicol University Culture and the Arts, Professor Mark Glenn Tejada, for their special performance. A big round of applause, please.
All right, thank you very much, Bicol University Marching Band. Once again, let's give them a resounding applause.
At this point, let's now call on one of the advocates of transformative learning who always strives to enrich our academic journey. Help me welcome on behalf of our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Boris. Please welcome Professor Rogelyn Samar.
All right, good morning, Ma'am Raj.
Thank you. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. To our Vice President for Administration and Finance, VP Cyrus Barameda. To our Vice President for Planning and Development, VP Sunny Ramos. Our Vice President for Research Development and Extension, VP Lani. Colleagues, honored guests, and the whole Bicol University community, good morning. It is with gladness that I have been entrusted to deliver the message of our esteemed Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Juliet, who unfortunately cannot join us in person on this momentous occasion as she is currently on travel back to the Philippines after representing Bicol University at the prestigious 2025 Global Sustainable Development Congress in Istanbul, Turkey, together with our university president, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III. She extends her heartfelt apologies for her absence today. Nevertheless, she conveys her warmest greetings to the entire Bicol University community as we celebrate our 56th Charter Day. Friends, please allow me to convey the message of our Vice President for Academic Affairs. Today, we mark a significant milestone in the history of Bicol University as we celebrate its 56th Charter Day. With utmost pride and profound gratitude, we gather to reflect on more than 5 decades of transformative service in the field of higher education. 5 decades of nurturing minds, shaping futures, and advancing our communities. The theme for this year, One Vision, One Mission, One BU, One Legacy, Embracing the Future, beautifully captures the spirit of this celebration. It reminds us that while we pay tribute to the trailblazers who laid the strong foundations of this great institution, we also take on the responsibility of continuing their noble work with courage, innovation, and purpose. As the Vice President for Academic Affairs, I am especially proud of how Bicol University has remained steadfast in its pursuit of academic excellence and relevance. Our recent accomplishments, such as achieving the institutional accreditation for our academic programs, our successful international collaborations, and being recognized in the Times Higher Education rankings are a testament to our unwavering commitment to quality education and global academic excellence. We have grown not only in number, but in depth and impact, producing graduates who are not only competent in their fields, but also compassionate and socially responsible individuals. In this ever-evolving landscape of education, we must remain united, faculty, students, alumni, and stakeholders, to pursue the same vision, uphold the same mission, and live out the same values that have brought us this far. Let us continue to build a university that is globally competitive, yet deeply rooted in service to the Bicolano people. Let us honor our legacy not only by remembering it, but by letting it inspire us to embrace the future, a future that is full of promise, innovation, and shared success. Happy 56th Charter Day, Bicol University. Padagos lang kita sa pag-uswag bilang sarong komunidad ng BUenos para sa mga BUenos. Mabuhay ang Bicol University. Salamat po.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Raj, for that message. Indeed, Dr. Juliet is one with us in the celebration of the 56th year of Bicol University. All right, so at this moment, let's listen to the message of the Vice President for Planning and Development, who has been making significant contribution to the success of Bicol University. Friends, let's welcome on his behalf, Professor Joy Lowenko, our technical staff from VPPD.
Thank you, sir. To our President, Dr. Baby Boy Nebres, represented by the Board of Regent, Attorney Alex Nepomuceno. To the Vice Presidents, Dr. Maria Julieta Bores. To the Vice President for Admin and Finance, Mr. Cyrus Barameda. To the Vice President for Research, Dr. Lani Maceda. To the Deans and Directors, faculty members, non-teaching staff, students, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. On behalf of the Vice President for Planning and Development, Professor Sonny A. Ramos, allow me to read his message. Today, as we commemorate the 56th Charter Day of Bicol University, we celebrate not just the passage of time, but the strength of our shared purpose. With this year's theme, BU at 56th, One Vision, One Mission, One BU, One Legacy, Embracing the Future. We are reminded that unity is our most powerful foundation. The dream of building a university for humanity is not just the vision of our present leadership, it is a shared aspiration that calls for connection, collaboration, and compassion across all colleges and offices. Our collective progress depends on breaking silos, fostering synergy, and standing together as one Bicol University. We honor the unwavering efforts of our past administrations, whose dedication laid the groundwork for the thriving institution we are today. Their legacy lives on in every stride we make towards a more inclusive, responsive, and forward-looking university. May this Charter Day rekindle our commitment to serve, not just with excellence, but with purpose, heart, and unity. Together, let us embrace the future with courage, hope, and one Bicol University spirit. Happy Charter Day.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Lowenka, for the message of Professor Sonny A. Ramos. Maraming salamat po. This special celebration will not be complete without us hearing the message of one of the important people in the university, someone who guides us towards shared vision in research development and extension programs. Friends, let's put our hands together to Dr. Lani Maceda.
Thank you. To our University President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, ably represented by our Alumni Regent, Attorney Alex Nepomuceno, to all our Vice Presidents, to the Deans and Directors, our esteemed faculty members, our administrative and support staff, dedicated students, our partners from the government and private sectors, our honored alumni, and friends of Bicol University, good day and happy Charter Day. Today, we gather not just to mark another year in the calendar, but to celebrate a legacy. Charter Day is not a merely a date. It is a tribute to vision, to purpose, and to the collective commitment that has shaped Bicol University into what it is today. When Bicol University was established in 1969 through Republic Act 5521, Bicol University was envisioned to be a pillar of higher learning in the region, a center for knowledge, development, and transformation. 56 years later, we look around and see not only buildings and programs, but lives changed, communities empowered, and a region uplifted through education. That vision lives on today, powerfully embodied in our core mandates, instruction, research, and extension. This Charter Day reminds us of the foundational values that continue to define us: productive scholarship, transformative leadership, distinctive character, and collaborative service. These are not just words engraved on a seal. These are responsibilities we carry in our actions every day, whether in our research, in our teaching, in how we lead, and how we serve our people. To our students, your dreams, curiosity, and resilience are the reason we strive to keep building, improving, and innovating. To our faculty and staff, thank you for your unwavering dedication to shaping minds and nurturing values. To our alumni, you are our living legacy. And to our community partners and supporters, thank you for trusting Bicol University and growing with us over the years. Research and extension are the bridge between the university and the real world. Our research is purpose-driven and people-centered. Research here is not done for prestige. It is done for impact. It is done so that our farmers can adapt to changing weather patterns. It is done so that a fisher folk has voice in managing marine resources. It is done so that a young student can dream of becoming a scientist herself. Community extension is the lifeblood of the university's service to the nation. It is how we take our research findings and turn them into real solutions. It is how we bring science to the streets, knowledge to the barangay, and empowerment to the grassroots. This Charter Day reminds us that while Bicol University is a home for learning, it is also be a force for transformation, an institution that listens, responds, and evolves with the needs of our communities. As we celebrate this Charter Day, let this also be a call to continue the work we had started. Thank you everyone for your collaborative service to Bicol University. Just recently, we achieved our institutional accreditation level 4, the QS ranking level 3, and the THE ranking. With this, let us strengthen our research culture rooted in relevance, innovation, and ethical responsibility. Let us expand our extension programs to be more inclusive, responsive, and sustainable. And to remember that every paper we publish, every training we conduct, every fieldwork we complete, these are acts of nation building. We are not here just to educate minds. We are here to empower lives. That is what Bicol University has stood for since day one. This is what we must continue to stand for today and always. Happy Charter Day, Bicol University. Mabuhay po tayong lahat.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Lani. All right. So indeed, the true spirit of real Bioveños is shown through impactful acts and service. Thank you, ma'am, for that message.
As we come to the end of this program, we want to extend our heartfelt gratitude to everyone who has joined us in honoring more than half a century of our dear university. Your presence and support have made this event truly memorable.
As we reflect on the achievements of the past more than 5 decades ago and look forward to the future, let us carry forward the spirit that defines our university. Thank you once again for being part of this special occasion. And these have been your Masters of Ceremony, J.M. Manjares.
And this has been Melger General from the College of Science, wishing you a wonderful day.
Together, let's continue to create meaningful history as one Bicol University.
At this point, may we request our BU officials, together with our deans and directors, to please join us in a photo opportunity. Sige. Tayo po tayo lahat. The photographer will just stay here on my side, and then dyan na lang po tayong lahat.
Compress na lang po tayo.
Compress na lang po tayo
compress
dyan
na lang tayo.
May I request our friends from this side. Hello, everyone.
Hello po, good morning. May we request po for the photo op, everybody?
Hi
Dito po
po.
tayo sa gitna for the photo op.
Sige po, lapit po
Mga
tayo.
mami, sir. Hello po. Pipicture lang po tayo for with the BU personnel.
Ma'am, doon tatakpan kayo. Please join us. Please, nagbabakaawa ako. Sumali kayo. Please. Sali na kayo. Please. Wait lang po, wait lang ma'am, wait lang po. Please po. Sige po, sali po tayo. Ayan. Ay, closer. Ayan. Sorry! Let's make sure na kasama tayo sa frame. Ayan. Okay, thank you very much.
Alright, thank you.
Yes, yung mga kasama po sa picture, may service credits po tayo. Yung mga wala po.
Harap na.
Sa ang tibay at talino, samahang pinatatag ng panahon.